deep clean it. I haven't, I'm gonna be honest. I usually did it like every other week, but like I've been in a rut for like the past month, so it's like gross. It needs scrubbed, cleaned, deep cleaned, and I want to go through the cabinets and underneath the sink, organize that. I might order some storage containers from under there that are like more easier to go through, because right now like I just have like a fabric cloth bin thing and like a little basket thing. I don't know. They're not cute. I don't care about them. They could go in the trash. I just use them to help separate things, but yeah, let's get into cleaning the bathroom, which is really gross, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, I've been slacking, so we're gonna stop slacking. So this is the current status of it. The trash is overflowed, so I'm gonna sweep. Sink is dirty. Mirrors need cleaned. That's what that looks like. Clean the tub. Might clean the walls. Like whenever we moved in, the walls were gross, and like we called them out on it, and they're like, no, it's not. It's fine. We have issues with our apartment, so cannot wait to move out in like 2 months. Shit. Oh fuck. Like 2 months. Like we want to go like the 1st of May. Like holy shit. But yeah, let's deep clean it. I want to wash these rugs, so we're gonna start off with that.
My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius.
So this is the final result of the bathroom. We got nice clean rugs. Sink's nice and clean. I organized my skincare section of the cupboard, and I organized down here, which looks so much better once I take that off the top. But yeah, I'm gonna get clear organization bins for those. Then I went through and cleaned up that and that and this, which is actually kind of organized. It doesn't look like it, but it is. Then over the toilet is so much more organized, and I can see what I'm looking for. The shower is nice and clean. Like I might just do like one more wash through real quick before I take a bath. But like I could take a bath again, which is great. But yeah, deep cleaned my bathroom and it's great. I am so happy I did this. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Later this week, we'll see. I'm working on stuff, so we'll see how that works out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know, what's your least favorite room of the house to clean? Like, what's your least favorite chore? Mine's remembering to do dishes or laundry. I could do the folding and put them away. Dishes isn't that bad. Laundry, switching from washer to dryer is a nightmare for me. But yeah, let me know if there's any other rooms you guys want to see me deep clean, because this place needs it, and we're moving soon. Not soon, in a few months, but yeah, we also have that stuff coming up. But yeah, bye.